Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stampin' Happenings, and I am an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up, which means I sell Stampin' Up. You can get all the information down below. Today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you one of the free celebration items that we have. Actually, it's 3, but it's 1. You get 3 of these. This is called the Shimmering Ribbon Pack. Now, if you're not familiar with Sale-A-Bration, it's one of the biggest sales Stampin' Up! Has. For every $50 you spend, you can get one of the free items in the Sale-A-Bration catalog. And there's quite a few of them. And there's more coming on the 16th of February. But for these, this is called the Shimmering Ribbon Pack. You get 3. You get the, this is Basic Gray, Calypso Coral, and Bermuda Bay. The Bermuda Bay is 1/8 of an inch, and it's really silky. And look at the shimmer. Can you see the shimmer? Let's bring this down a little, and maybe you can see it a little bit better. And the Bermuda Bay is a 1/4 inch, or the Basic Gray is a 1/4 inch. I was going to say that's a little long. And you can see the shimmer in that too. Look at that. And it's nice and soft, really easy to tie those bows, you know, you're using the rabbit ears, bunny ears, or whatever you want to call them. Oops. And they make perfect little ribbons then. Isn't that cool? And then we have the 3/8 inch Calypso Coral. And again, a look at the shimmer, the shine. And again, this is free during celebration. For every $50 you can get an item, and if you want to get 2 of the same items, you can. There's also, this year, there is a level $100. So if you spend $100, there's 2 items you can get for $100, and one's a die, a framelit, or a thinlet, and the other one's a really huge set of stamps. So anyhow, just wanted to show you this. Again, this is Mary from Mary's Stampin' Happenings, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.